So it's ring dance night.
Tonight is ring dance.
Ring dance!
Tonight's ring dance for our class of 2020.
So tonight I'm here to celebrate the tradition of Virginia Tech.
So it's a special time for us being juniors at Virginia Tech where we get our rings, we get to celebrate our time at Virginia Tech and like what's special to exactly our class.
I really wanted that ring to just look back at and be like looking back at my 4 years here and just getting all giddy really inside.
I'm having a blast. Like I'm seeing every single person I know. I'm looking to my left and looking to my right and seeing people all over the place.
It's a great event. I'm so pleased that they chose me, that the 2020 class chose me. I'm thrilled.
It's just being surrounded by all of the members of class of 2020 and that we are all united by the class ring and how it just really brings all of our experiences together.
Being a part of something that's been going on for over 100 years is, it's really special to be in the middle of that ceremony because you're standing there, you're getting ready for your ring, and you know that you're making history, one step at a time.
The ring really connects me to the Hokies who have come before me and the Hokies who are yet to come. So this is really a piece of Virginia Tech that I'm taking with me wherever I go.
The ring is a uniting force, a reminder of the fantastic experiences, the fantastic memories that we've had.
And so I think, when I get up for work in the morning and I put my class ring on, it's going to be a reminder of not only the amazing network that I have at Tech, but all the really amazing friends that I have here.
5 years from now, putting on the ring is going to mean that I made something good out of the time that I had. And I'm going to take everything that I've learned here back with me, and I know it's with me everywhere because I'll have that ring on.
In 20, 30, 40, 50 years from now, I look down at it, it'll still have that same sentimental value that it has right now.
I know that regardless of where I'm going, I know that the Hokie Nation will always be a part of me. That I may serve. I think what it means to me is that service is a privilege. It's that I may serve.
We talk about service 24/7, person that I may serve, but really it's about serving your community, and that community really is home.
It's not so much as you either work or you're doing service, it's sort of your way of life, and that's what UPROSM means to me.
This school gives so much to us and helps shape us in our career. And also so many people give to this school in order to give us these opportunities.
And so I think it's really important for me to be able to carry on the traditions and to be able to give all of the opportunities to future Hokies that have been given to me.
I think it's important to give back to the Virginia Tech community because they've given us so much and they've offered us so much in terms of academics and relationships that at the end of the day, the best thing that we can do is be a Hokie for the rest of our lives.